StadiumPro Sports Light from Rugged Grade, premium sports lighting. With a revolutionary design using omnidirectional heat dissipation, it runs cooler than the competition for a long, dependable life. Ultra-efficient LEDs are displayed through precision optics with beam angles ranging from 12 to 120 degrees. Wattages from 400 to 1200 watts, producing an amazing 168,000 lumens. IP65 weather rated for outdoor use. Multi-axis adjustable positioning with the included flood mount for an easy install on pole-mounted light racks. Slip-fit style mount available for a simple, flexible install on pipe or T-non adapters. All the tools necessary to upgrade those old Metal Halide sports lights with modern long-life LED lamps. The flagship 500 watt StadiumPro Sports Light is the perfect replacement for an easy swap with existing 1500 watt Metal Halide sports lights, common around the world in arenas, stadiums, parks, and more. Highly efficient 130 lumens per watt LEDs for energy savings of 70% over Metal Halide and HPS lights. UL and DLC listed for independently verified performance and safety. Photometric studies available to plan perfect lighting for any location, with accurate results to maximize efficiency and reach even the toughest of brightness requirements. The StadiumPro Sports Light from Rugged Grade is the answer to modern sports lighting. Bright light and a huge range of wattages and beam angles make the StadiumPro Series versatile for use in other large-scale lighting applications, such as shipyards, airports, marinas, and freeways. High-end dimmable LED driver with standard 100 to 277 volt and high voltage 277 to 480 volt configurations available. Backed by Rugged Grade's 5-year no-hassle warranty with US-based customer support.